Hello students, let us continue the lesson number 8, features of file management. So in my previous video I have discussed how to copy the file or folder from one location to another location. If you have not watched that video, so once you watch it, so in today's session we'll see how to rename the file or folder. So renaming a file or folder. Rename means what? Rename means changing the name of a file or a folder. Changing the name means already whatever the name is given for that file, so that existing name, so that name can be changed by using this rename option. To rename a file or folder, right click on it and select the rename option from the shortcut menu. So just right click on that file, which file's name you want to change. Okay, so when you right click on that file or folder, you will get the shortcut menu. So then type the new name and press the enter key. Then afterwards, so after when you get that shortcut menu, when you select that rename option, so that existing name will be highlighted. Then just you type the new name and press enter key. Okay, so here I will follow that steps. The first step is given, right click on that file. Okay, for example, see, so right click on that file or folder. So here list of options are displaying. So from this option select rename option. So now when you select rename, that name is highlighting. Okay, so that name is highlighting with some background color. So now you type a new name, for example SCCMs. Okay, new name is SCCMs. Afterwards press enter key on your keyboard. So when you press enter key, so new name gets displayed in that existing name. Okay, so just right click on that folder and select rename option and type a new name. Okay, whatever the name you want to give. For example, here student of fourth standard. So it is the name of this folder I am giving. So like this you can type that new name and you can press enter key. So new name will be applied for that existing folder. Okay, so now here one quick view is given here too. Okay, one is here press shift plus delete key to delete files or folders permanently, and another one is the shortcut key to rename a file or folder is F2. See, if you want to rename the file or folder by using shortcut key, so for example I want to rename this file or folder by using shortcut key. So let me open a keyboard here. Okay, see function key. So here they have set a F2 button you have to use to change the name of this folder. So press F2 button. See, now it is highlighting. Then you give any one name, for example Samsung. So folder name is Samsung. So select the folder, then on your keyboard press F2 button. So this existing name will be selected. Now you can Apple. Okay, so in this way you can change the name of that folder by using this shortcut key. Okay, Sony. So like this you can give a name by using shortcut key. So for that you have to use F2 key, F2 button. Okay, so that F2 button is on the top row of your keyboard. Okay, so that all the function keys are given from F1 to F12. Use F2 button for renaming the file or folder. So next one more quick view is given here. So what is that? Press shift plus delete key to delete files or folders permanently. So deleting a files or folders permanently means what? See now. So for example, so this is a folder. So now what I do, I will select this folder and I will press a delete key on my keyboard. Okay, so I press delete key, and when you press the delete key, you are getting a confirmation message that are you sure you want to move this folder to the recycle bin. If you say yes, then that folder moves to recycle bin. Okay, you can open that recycle bin and you can see it. So that folder is moved here. So now I want this folder back. Then you can select that folder and you can select this option, restore this item. So from where you have deleted it, it gets restored in a same location. So now what I do, I want to delete this folder, but it should not move to recycle bin. So for that, so just hold shift key on your keyboard and press a delete. Okay, so when you press delete key, now you read the confirmation. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? Now it is not coming here as a recycle bin. So it is coming as a permanently delete this folder. Now if I press yes, then now you can open and see the recycle bin. That folder is not existing. Okay, so that Sony folder is not existing or not moved to recycle bin. Okay, how to do? See here once again, select the folder, hold shift button on your keyboard. See now already I'm holding, and press the delete key on your keyboard, and in a confirmation message press yes. Okay, so when you press yes button, that folder moves to recycle bin. So like this. So this is now what happens whenever you delete any files or folders, it moves to recycle bin, and you can see, so these are all the files moved to recycle. So if you don't want if you want to remove it from the recycle bin also, so in that case, here they have given an option, empty the recycle bin. When you use this option, then entire recycle bin gets empty. Okay, so just press this button and delete multiple items. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 12 items? If I click on yes button, then this all the 12 items will be deleted from the recycle bin also. Then afterwards you cannot restore. If I click on no button, so then that files remains there only. Okay, or you can use this shortcut also. So right click on that selected folder and you can use this delete key. Okay, so delete option. So then also you are going to get the same dialog box. Okay, same message box. Okay, so there also you have to use that yes button to delete it permanently. So empty the recycle bin and click on yes button to delete that files from the recycle bin. So now recycle bin is empty. Okay, you cannot restore any files now. Okay, so this is a way to delete the files or folders permanently. So hold shift button and press delete key to delete that files permanently, and to change the name use F2 key. So function key F2 button, automatically that files gets renamed. So next point is moving the file or folder. So how to move the file or folder from one location to another location, so that we will see in our next session. Thank you for watching.